Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Loop for recurring meetings step by step. If you have zero knowledge about Microsoft Loop, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a shared meeting workspace that updates automatically every week. So let's get started. First, what is Microsoft Loop? Microsoft Loop is a collaborative workspace tool inside the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It allows you to create shared pages where your team can add notes, tasks, and updates in real time. Think of it as a flexible meeting hub that stays organized across multiple sessions. Step 1. Open Microsoft Loop. Go to loop.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll land on the Loop homepage where you can create a new workspace. Step 2. Create a workspace for your recurring meeting. Click on New Workspace. Name it something like Weekly Team Meeting or Client Sync. This workspace will store all pages related to your recurring meeting. Step 3. Create a meeting page template. Inside the workspace, click New Page. Title it with your meeting name and date format, for example, Weekly Sync/template. Now, structure your page with sections like Agenda, Discussion Points, Action Items, Decisions, and Next Meeting. You can type / to insert components like task lists, checklists, tables, or voting tables. Step 4. Add task lists for action items. Under Action Items, type / and select Task List. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and track progress directly inside Loop. These tasks will stay updated for everyone in real time. Step 5. Duplicate the page for each recurring meeting. For recurring meetings, click the 3 dots on your template page and select Duplicate. Rename it with the current date, like Weekly Sync March 10. Now you have a fresh page with the same structure every week. Step 6. Share with your team. Click Share at the top right. Enter email addresses and give access to your team members. If you're using Microsoft Teams, you can also paste the Loop page directly into your recurring meeting chat so everyone can access it easily. Step 7. Use Loop during the meeting. Open the Loop page while the meeting is happening. Update agenda points, assign tasks, and mark decisions in real time. Because it's collaborative, everyone can contribute simultaneously. And that's it. Now you know how to use Microsoft Loop for recurring meetings, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.